Hi.
Welcome to the show.
Hi Pooja. Hi. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So Manmeet is a vice president at Devnagari. And Manmeet, will let you tell us a little about what is Devnagari and what problem are you solving?
So Devnagari is an AI-powered translation platform.
Okay.
It's our own product that we have built. That's the USP. Plus, we give contextual and meaningful translations. We give domain-specific translations. These days, we all understand that not everybody is apt with English. So how are we helping the people? How are we communicating to tier 2 and tier 3 cities? So there Devnagari comes in picture. We are actually helping the brands to enable the localization.
Okay.
Be it your website, be it your mobile application, your documents, your marketing collaterals, videos, anything which
Videos also.
Yeah, with anything which was going in, English, why not send it to the people in the language that they prefer, that they understand? Because that's make the larger impact.
Yeah.
If you talk to me, if I am a Punjabi, you send me something in Punjabi, I will look and watch it, the same thing in a happier mode as compared to something in English. So that is something that we are doing. We are giving on-the-fly translation, contextually, meaningful and domain specific.
Okay.
That's the USP.
So let's say videos, for example. Can someone just upload an English video and it will sort of replicate it with the right language? Is that what you're saying?
Yes. So you choose the language. There are a lot of options which are there. There are, bots voice which can be used, subtitling which is there in case of videos. So yes, you choose
Voice also or text only?
both.
Oh,
Both.
interesting.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes. So even if you see, we've done the websites as well. So previously the website used to be in English. Now what used to happen was, like my parents, somebody else in tier 2 cities in South Belt, they're not happy using that, language. So we've given a drop-down option. You come and choose the language that they prefer, and now the entire flow of the website is going to be into the language that they understand.
Great. So right now, how many languages do you have on the platform?
We have all the languages. There are 22 constitutional languages. We cater to all of them.
Wow.
Plus, we do all the international languages, be it Asian, European, all languages.
Now for content, if it's a mixed content, जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं और अभी मैंने
Hindi and English one.
Then again we switch back to English.
Yes.
Is that also something it can cater to?
Yes, so we are already working on that. So we've actually started working on this kind of, because like you just said, Hindi English का mixture हमेशा रहता है. So the next thing that we will be coming up with this is
Very nice. So how long have you been in business?
So the business has been there from almost 3.5, 4 years.
Awesome.
I have been with Devnagari from 2 years, and
Very nice.
it's amazing. The way that we are growing, the way that we are enabling the brands, it's actually amazing.
And how many customers do you have right now?
I would say not able to count it, but then we are working with all the BFSI customers of the top-notch brands that we are there. We are working in government sectors. We are working with ICICI Bank, we are working with Kotak Bank, we are working with, DRDO, we are working with Mishos, we are working with e-commerce brands. So lot. I mean, the list is endless.
Very nice. And what kind of revenues are you doing right now?
The revenues, of course, are very good. We are growing by, I would say, 83% this year as compared to last fiscal year.
And have you raised funds?
Yes. I think
What's
round
the last
2.
round?
I think round 2 was raised, I think round 2 is supposed to be raised. Round 1 was already raised, round 2 is supposed to be raised.
Okay. And how much has been raised or is going to be raised?
I think that would be, my founder would be the right person in terms of, giving the financial numbers to you. But in case of business, if you have any questions, I will help you out.
Sure. And where's the team based out of?
So we have a registered office in Delhi, but we are, the business office is in Noida, Sector 16.
Oh, very nice. And how is Startup Mahakumbh happening for you?
It's amazing, the kind of exposures that we are getting, people are getting to know it, and I'm happy that there are a lot of people who knows Devnagari. They can relate it to it, and they actually have problems, because they want to touch that market, but they're not able to do it. So I'm happy the kind of exposure that it is happening.
Very nice talking to you,
Same here,
Manmeet.
same here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.